Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Guys, today I will show you how to transfer money from BBVA to another bank. The first step, guys, log in your account, click order transfer, log in your account, your accreditation and information. After that, guys, all you have to do, choose the specific number of your account you want to transfer and choose what you want to transfer, income, bills and balance. Then enter your contact details of your payers and then choose a transfer data. You will need at least 15 business days to complete process, and this is how you can do, guys. This is easy steps for mobile app, guys. All you have to do, choose your log in your account with your information. After that, click transfer option. This is the transfer, as you can see, guys, and then click the new recipient. As you can see here, click new recipient, and from here enter the details of your account you want to transfer and click continue. After that, choose your amount you want to transfer and then click continue. This is how you can do on the mobile apps, guys, and this is only on your computers. Just follow the steps, guys, to transfer your account. I hope, guys, this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Don't skip any question in the comment, guys, and I will answer your question as soon as possible.